tutorial on checking your control system before you turn it on to make sure you don't get electrocuted. The first thing you're going to want to do is turn on your multimeter. And you're going to want to press the hold button to turn on the sound and connect the two to test them. And so that noise means ground is connected to power, so that's bad. So when we test it in our system, we don't want to hear that noise. So you need to check your PABs. So you connect the ground to the ground and the power to the red. And no noise means it's good. You're going to check your other power and you connect the ground and the red. And there's no noise, so that's good. And then you're going to want to check your PID. And so you can use this by taking out the plug. And so the inside is gonna be red and the outside is black. And so no noise means it's good to go. And then you're gonna want to check your DC to DC converter for your Pixhawk. So you put red to red, black to black. No noise, so it's fine. And then to check, you want to check your grounds all together to make sure that they're working. So you connect your ground to your ground. And the noise is a good thing because you're connecting ground to ground. And then you check your ground here to your ground. And so the noise means the grounds are connected. Check your ground. The noise means they're connected. And then on your converter, ground to ground. That means they're connected, so that's good. So you're gonna connect your inside